Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles. Welcome to another Sunday Stata tip. Today we're talking about the Egen or the extended generate command. What I've done is I've pulled in the auto data set we're used to using. I've restricted it to just these three columns: make, price, and miles per gallon. Now when we're talking about the Egen, there's actually a lot of stuff you can do with the Egen command. So if I pull up help Egen, you can see, I know it's kind of small, but there are so many different options you have with the Egen command. I'm just going to highlight two of them. Now let's say we have this price and I want to figure out the min price, and I want to basically have every row have that minimum price. If I try to say gen min underscore price is equal to the min of price, and I click enter, it's going to say invalid syntax. You're not able to do that. What I can do is I can type that same thing, but just put an E in front of the generate. So egen min price is equal to min of price. Hit enter, and you can see it does exactly what we want. If I sort by price, you can see that min price is exactly the minimum price we have. I can also do the max command, so egen max, max miles per gallon is equal to the max of miles per gallon. And same thing, I can go at gsort negative miles per gallon, and you can see that the max miles per gallon variable is 41, or the maximum miles per gallon for every single observation. If you weren't sure how I did that gsort, make sure to check out a video on sorting data also on my channel. Now, like I said, there's tons of things you can do with this egen command. Those are just two examples. In future videos, we'll talk some more about the egen and why it's useful, particularly when it comes to duplicates. So if this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next week for another Sunday Stata tip here on In Case of Econ Struggles.